What you doing? Elizabeth. What you doing, sweetie? Are you standing up? Hi, darling. Hi, baby. Hi, you got your little leg warmers. You look like a little Nanook from the north, baby. But it's chilly. Oops. I don't know how this baby didn't have serious arm muscles all this pulling up. We're doing 40 chin-ups a day. Elizabeth. What you doing, sweetie? Hi, baby darling. Hi, baby darling. Hi. Oh, big yawn. I hope you're getting sleepy. Mama's got work to do. The picture album. Elizabeth. Elizabeth. Daddy's shorts. Elizabeth. Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Say not yet, but I'm working on it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.